y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Thrive Market. I live in a town where we don't have a Whole Foods, we don't have a Trader Joe's, we don't have Sprouts, we don't have anything like that. Now our local grocery stores do a pretty good job with organic and some kind of obscure kind of foods, but not like you could get at Whole Foods. And what I have discovered is that Thrive Market is a really good alternative and the prices are amazing. I've been doing it for probably 6 years. I've been a member and the membership is $60 a year. You get a membership. They will sponsor a family in need and give them a membership. The packaging is it's 100% recyclable, carbon neutral shipping. They're from, and their brands, or all their brands are from companies that support fair trade, ban GMOs, and are sustainable. So really eco-conscious company, which I really appreciate. You can filter by lifestyle. They've got organic and keto, raw, paleo, AIP, the autoimmune protocol diet. They have food, household items, baby products, pet products, beauty. They just run the gamut. It is an entire grocery store in a box. They have a lot of brands you'll be familiar with, like Mrs. Meyer's and things like that, but they also have their own exclusive Thrive brand. They guarantee their pricing will be lower than you'll find anywhere else. And I will show you, let me show you what I got in my box. I got this All Good Goop. If you've ever used any of the Goop products, they're really, really good. And this is just a balm, handcrafted skin relief balm made with organic herbs and olive oil. And I burned my hand getting something out of the oven the other day, and I didn't have this, but I wish I had because I think it would have really helped. It smells, it has a mild, kind of smells like olive oil a little bit. Tell you what I paid for these, and then also what I found them for on Amazon, so we can kind of do a price comparison as we go along. But the Goop was, I paid $14.99, and on Amazon it was $23.50. So that's a pretty good savings. And then I got this Giovanni Frisbee Gone. You can see that. I do have naturally wavy hair, and it can get frizzy. And so I thought I'd try this. I haven't opened it yet, but I thought I'd give it a try. I paid $6.49 and Amazon had it for $7.57. So another good savings. I also got this Rebel Green Fruit and Veggie Cleaner, 17 ounces. I paid $4.49 for this bottle, and on Amazon it was $11.72. On these Amala sponges, sponges, I paid $5.49, and on Amazon they were $5.99, so 50 cents, but still it adds up. Next I have, let's see, we'll go with these Mega Food Turmeric Inflammation Response Gummies, and there's 40 gummies in here. This was the only one. I paid $11.59 and Amazon had them for $11.51, but there you go. These are organic, they're non-GMO, and you take 1 to 2 a day. Only 3 grams of sugar, and then 5.3 grams of turmeric root per serving, equivalent to. Next, I got these Rescue Pastilles Natural Stress Relief, and I haven't tried them yet, but this is the Black Currant flavor by Bach. I paid $6.95 on Thrive, and Amazon had them for $7.95, so saved $1 there. Next are these Neocell Biotin bursts for healthy hair and nails, the acai berry flavor. And these are 30 soft gels. I paid $11.99 for these, and they were $16.95 on Amazon. So another good savings. And then now on to kitchen items. I got these organic rolled oats, and it's their Thrive Market brand, 32 ounces. I paid $4.99, and the Bob's Red Mill on Amazon, where I found it, the 32 ounce, anywhere from $10 to $15, around that area. So that's a huge savings. And I've gotten these before, and they're really good. Next, I got these Cybel's free-to-eat superfood rotini with green lentil, kale, broccoli, and spinach. I try not to eat a lot of carbs and sugar. I try. But I do love pasta, and this helps me. This helps a lot. The texture, if you've ever had like the red lentil, which we have all the time, or the texture's a little different, but my husband has no clue that this is what he's eating. Or if he does, he doesn't let on. This box was $3.99 for, how many ounces? Well, I don't know, can't see it, but the same thing on Amazon, $9.99. So another good deal. Then I got these. These are Love Beets, organic cooked beets, ready for anything. I do like beets. I like them. Here they are. There's like 6 of them. They look like little red hard-boiled eggs in here. I love beets. I love to put them in smoothies. I love to juice them, but I don't like the mess. And so I thought I would try these. I think I paid $2.58. And I think the equivalent online on Amazon was $3.29. This was a lot of math for me to figure out, so don't quote me on that, but there was a little bit of savings on these. And I'll let you know sometime how these were. Next, the milks, and this is Pacific Foods organic unsweetened coconut milk. We do unsweetened coconut milk instead of real milk, and have a really hard time finding. We love the So Delicious, if you've ever had that, in the box, not in the carton. The carton's completely different. The carton is thicker, and I don't think it's good. I don't like it. This is not So Delicious, but this is very, very similar and very, very good. This is, I paid, and I got 2. It came in a pack of 2. I paid $5.58, and the equivalent on Amazon was $6.33. So I'm really excited about this because, like I say, we have a hard time finding our unsweetened coconut milk here. You can find the sweetened or the vanilla, which does not taste anything. I mean, well, if you like it sweet, which my husband does, I don't. We have a hard time finding it, and so it's always nice when I can get it out places. Then next, I got a 3-pack, 3 different flavors of this Calafia almond milk creamer, which I really like. This is unsweetened with coconut, which I like a little sweet in my coffee. And then I got pecan caramel, is this one, and then this other one is, I think it's just the flavors on the other side, but it's a sweet one. So I got 1 unsweetened, 2 sweets. These were, and I love Calafia. We also love their milks, their coconut milk, their unsweetened milks. I really, really like them. A pack of 6, let's see, I got a pack of 3. Their pack of 6 was $29.94. So like $15 for 3, and I paid $12.49 for 3. So the savings, which I did not add up, so I'll be back and I'll do that and I'll be back. All right, there, the total Amazon, and I got one item from Target. I don't remember what that was, but one thing I couldn't find on Amazon, got it at Target. So the Amazon price, $119.80, and I paid, my total was $98.82. So I saved $20.71. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And I have really enjoyed shopping. Sometimes I forget to order. That's another thing. You don't have to, if you don't order, you don't get it. Unlike another one that I order from where I've been surprised. I forgot to tell them what I wanted or not, and then I just get a surprise box of things that I bought last time. So you can do it as often as you want. I think they've got really good quality products, and like I say, you can, if you live in a big city, you can probably get this anywhere if you want to fight the crowds in the grocery store. For me, living in the town that I live in, and I really enjoy it. Plus, I like that I can go on and click on whatever organic, and then I shop from just organic rather than going up and down the aisles looking for the organic or keto or anything that you like that. You can just click on it and you're taken right to the products, and you can pick from there, and you don't have to. I like to not have to think, and that way you don't have to think. So make your little grocery list, get on there and get what you want. But I will put a link down below if you want to try it, and I think it's really worth it. I really like it. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye-bye.